In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the browse or import option for the browser here. Now I call this browse and extract. Now I have already shown this in another video, but I thought I'd make a separate one just to kind of concentrate on this particular tool here. So in the videos tool, under search, you'll notice you can search by keyword here. For example, if you type in the word like foraging or something like that, and if you unselect that here, I just want to talk about this part. You can only get the first page of results from YouTube. Of course, you'd like to get more results directly from YouTube. There's another way of doing it by using the, browse and extract method. So let's go ahead and do that. So click on browse or import up here, and we're going to click on browser. And this brings up the integrated browse tool. So browse and extract is what I'm calling it. So basically you're going to be browsing YouTube. So if I just click over here, so the way that this window works, it's kind of like a primitive browser. So we've got our bookmarks over to the left here, and we've got our browser in the middle, and the regular buttons are used to in normal browsers are here, and it's your bookmark button. Anyhow, if you go over here, you can click on, say for example, trends, and let's just go so we can see in the browser here. Now let's use some of the options that YouTube allows you. So let's say I do want to go with foraging. So say foraging, and I click go. But I'd like to utilize some of their filters that I don't have in the software. Let's say I want to look at the upload date of this month. I'm only interested in seeing videos, say 4 to 20 minutes. I want to see just HD, and I want to see by let's say view count. So now that we have these filters, now we got all these videos here. Now what I'd like to do is when you scroll down, you'll notice as you scroll, it automatically adds it. We'll add this little button here. You can click start scroll, and it'll do an auto scroll, and it tells you how many times it's been auto scrolling. So you kind of wait a bit. I'll do 10 auto scrolls here. Then when you're satisfied, you just click stop. Now that it's finished auto scrolling here, now what I want to do is you can go and hit extract video links, because we are interested in analyzing the videos. So click extract video links. Now it does take a second. There's a tremendous amount of data inside the browser, and we found 299 videos. So now what we want to do to add those videos to our video analyzer tool over here, all we have to do is go add links. Now I want to add links to the videos tool. So click there. Now it will ask you, you can see in the background it actually already added the links there, but it will ask you, would you like to close the integrated browser? You can click yes. If not, you can click no and just keep it open. Mine is going to click yes and just closes it down. And now that we have all the video links in here, now all we have to do is click analyze. And now it's going and analyzing all of those videos that we just did with those filters that we used on YouTube. In addition, we went through several pages of YouTube results to find this, and now we can analyze all of these. So I'm just going to click stop, and I'm going to go do it, analyze all these. But now you can see just the power of using that browse and extract tool. Pretty awesome, right? Now you get access to all this wicked data that we can do for analyzing. So let's continue working with that. So I'm going to clear this out. I'm going to clear this out as well. Bring up the browser. And let's look at some other things you can do. So let's go to a bookmark I have here under Google and just click on that. Now you can actually search YouTube results in Google or Bing if you'd like by using a special search parameter. So if you type the word in site with a colon and then the YouTube like that, you can just search pages that are only indexed from Google, from YouTube on Google. You see there's 2.4 billion. That's a big number. So anyhow, here's a few things you can do. I know that when you're watching a video, usually in the address it looks like this, /watch, and then $V equals, and usually there's a video code or video ID number. So just leave that blank, and you can go and do a space, And if you do double quotes, let's type in a seed keyword of your niche, say forging. Now let's click search. Found 4.7 million videos that has the word forging, but I just want to see all links that contain watch. You can see every one of these is actually a real video. Pretty cool, huh? So now what I can do is I can go in here and clear all these links. Remember, this is from before. And now in these search results, I can just go ahead and extract video links. And just like before, we just found 52 from these search results. And of course, I can continue. I can go to next, and I can extract again. We got 94. If we want to go next again, extract some more, and we got 143 videos that are, these are the top videos listed in Google for forging. And now we can add those links just like before. Now we got access to some unique data that, you know, you probably would have never thought of, or you can't get access to from directly from YouTube. Because remember, people are searching for videos on Google as well. So stop that. Now we got access to some more incredible data that we may have never found just using only YouTube alone. Let's continue on here, and I could show you, you can actually do this on Bing as well. So if you go to Bing over here, you do the same idea on Bing. So let's just do like this and just type in DIY or something like that. I'm doing double quotes here around the keyword because that specifies I want to see that exact word no matter what in the search results. So I'm looking for videos that are on YouTube that contain the word DIY. And so it found a whole bunch here. Now if I go extract, it found 8. But if I keep going, some more, so on and so forth. Found 20, and now we can add those. And we analyze those real quickly, and those are coming directly from Bing, which is a top search engine. So now we have some more valuable data that we may not have found in Google, Google or YouTube. And some of these are getting, you know, millions of views. So that's how powerful this tool is. It's basically limitless. I mean, it doesn't actually matter what page you're on. I mean, you could be logged into some sort of SaaS program, like an online software tool that you use that extracts video links of some sort. It doesn't matter. As long as there's a video link inside the source code of the page you're looking at and you click this button, this tool is going to find them and grab the video link. So let's say you have a tool, I don't know, some sort of tube analyzer software or something like that that you already bought, and you log into your account and you start searching YouTube videos in there. As long as inside the source code these YouTube links exist, you click the button, you can get those videos, you can analyze in the software. So this tool sort of makes it limitless. You kind of get around anything for extracting data from the internet. So pretty amazing and awesome tool. Now for making bookmarks, it's pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. Like say, for example, you're on YouTube. Here, if we go to YouTube, we can also just right click and copy. We can go paste and go to YouTube here. Let's say we're searching for forging. I keep searching forging all the time because forging and knife making is my hobby. Anyhow, we come in here. Let's say I looked at this particular channel, Old Smith. I'm like, oh, I really like this Old Smith channel. I would like to bookmark it. So you can go and bookmark this if you'd like. Just by clicking the bookmark button, and you can make your label, you can put it inside your folder, whatnot. Pretty self-explanatory. You also have controls you get access to. I right click here. I've shown these in other videos, so it's pretty easy to manage your bookmarks. And that's basically how you use this tool. It's, like I said, it's very powerful, and you can actually, I forgot to mention this, you can actually shrink this down if you want. And over here, You can hide your links to make it a little bit bigger. So if you hit this button, show links, hide links, it just kind of hides that little bar to the right there if you're not using it right now. And oh, I have one more thing to show you. Let's say you want to log into your account. I do provide a little button up here, user pass. You can quickly access your saved YouTube username and password. And there's also a link here that goes to YouTube login as well. And you can save your YouTube and password inside of here. Inside the settings, you can put your username and password and click apply, and it saves it on your computer. As it says here, your password's encrypted. So when the software saves your password to a file on your computer, inside that file, that settings file, your password is encrypted. So it's completely encrypted, so people can't just open up that file and look at it or anything like that. But it's completely optional. Obviously, you don't have to use this feature. I just put it in here just for convenient purposes only, mostly because I love using it. But if you don't want to, that's fine. But anyhow, once you got it set, you just go, copy username, paste it, Control C on your keyboard or right click and paste. Go next. Then now I can just do my password and boom, I'm logged in. Now you can utilize your account, everything that you're looking at. If you like looking at certain things, you have certain subscriptions you're on and all that kind of stuff. So I'm just going to log out. I like being signed out of mine, but it's up to me, up to you, sorry. But I like being signed out because when you're signed into your account, I kind of like how YouTube always shows me, knife building stuff, forging stuff, those things I like watching, like bushcraft and things like that. So I like keeping that kind of in my account. But one idea is you can make another YouTube account where it's just dealing with only your research that you do for your business, and then log into that one all the time. Or just do what I do. You could just sign out and just use all the searching and whatnot on YouTube. But anyhow, that's another useful little tool within here. And that'll be it for this video. Thanks, and I'll see you in another one.